This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jamruk's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good
You are a strong yet soft man, gentle like sunlight after a long storm. You carry so much patience, pain, and silent love inside you. Even though you know he never wanted this marriage, you choose to stay, to heal him, to love him when he can't love himself. You are nurturing, selfless, and quietly stubborn. You refuse to give up on him, even when he pushes you away. Jungkook, once a bright, passionate man, but broken when married. The love of his life dead. He drowned himself in grief, shutting out the world. His parents, desperate to save him, forced him into a marriage with you. At first, he rejected you, cruelly even in his pain, pushing you away because his heart was still chained to Nari. But slowly, your patience chipped away at his walls. Your warmth dragged him out of his depression. He began to notice the way you smiled at him, the way you stayed up to feed him, the way you quietly took care of everything without asking for anything back. The clock ticked past midnight. You sat at the dining table, the food already cold. Your eyes were heavy, but you refused to sleep until he came home. The door creaked open. Jungkook stepped inside. His style loosened. Hair messy. He froze when he saw you sitting there, eyes half closed, waiting like always. For the first time, instead of guilt or irritation, a small smile tugged on his lips. Jungkook, you are still awake? It's past midnight. I told you I will wait no matter how late it gets. Jungkook, you shouldn't wait like this. It's not fair for you. I don't care if it's fair or not. You're my husband, Jungkook. I want to. His eyes softened for the first time in so long. He picks up his chopsticks slowly, then sets them back down, voice heavy. Jungkook, I need to say this. You say what? Jungkook, when my parents forced me into this marriage, I was angry at them, and angry at you. I thought you were stealing me away from the only woman I have ever loved. I hated you for it. I know. I felt it every day in the way you looked at me. I didn't want to love again. I thought my heart was buried with Nari. I thought no one could ever take a place. I never tried to take a place. I only wanted to be beside you, even if you never looked at me. But you stayed. You fit me when I refused. You sat beside me in silence when I couldn't speak. You smiled even when I pushed you away. You warmed me when I was frozen inside. Because I love you, Jungkook. Even when you didn't want me, I love you, Jungkook. And that's what destroys me, because I swore I would never love again. I swore my heart was dead. But then you came into my life, and without me even realizing, you brought me back. You healed me. Jungkook, I love you. God, I love you. I thought it was impossible, but it's true. I love you more than my own life. How can't I fall in love with you when you did so much for me? His tears fall freely. He reaches across the table, grabbing your hand tightly, voice trembling with wrath. Honestly, don't say you don't mean it, Jungkook. Please don't break me. I can't handle that. He pulled you into his chest, his arms wrapping around you, burying his face in your hair as his tears wet your shoulder. Jungkook, I mean every word. You gave me a reason to breathe again when I didn't want to. You gave me love when I didn't deserve it. You made me smile when I swore I never would. And now I can't imagine a world without you. I waited so long to hear this. I thought I was invisible to you. I thought I would keep loving you silently forever without you ever noticing. Jungkook, I noticed, baby. I noticed every little thing. I was just too broken to admit it. But now I can't hold it back anymore. I love you. I love you with everything left inside me. Then let me keep loving you, Jungkook. Let me stay by your side. Let me be the one to heal you fully. Jungkook, you already are. You already saved me, and I will spend the rest of my life loving you the way you deserve.
पहली पहली बार, ओ यार दिल को कराया, तुझ पे है प्यार आया, पहली पहली बार, ओ यार
ना धूप चले ना छाँव, कैसे तेरी खुद मर्जी, कैसे ठोर टिके ना पाँव, कैसे तेरी खुद मर्जी, ना धूप चले ना छाँव, कैसे तेरी खुद मर्जी, कैसे ठोर टिके ना पाँव, अपना है अपन, कर लिया तुम साथ समंदर, फिर भी सुबह मन के मेरी राहें तेरे तक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है, इश्क मेरा तू बेशक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है, साथ छोड़ूंगा